Great day to wear sandals.
I
Yeah.
found the log. One. Oh.
Drawing doesn't hurt you.
John doesn't stab you with needles. I need a stick. E-stick.
ESAP? ESAP?
Bad pine cone.
I lost it. It's a bar. Or like go down a hill.
I found a rock.
That's not a rock.
It's like white dirt.
White dirt? I don't know.
It breaks. Can dirt break?
Apparently. Oh God.
Yes. This is where we got our last. Actually, no, it's not.
Then that was.
There's a crushed one down here. Acorn. This is one fat acorn. How does squirrel? Squirrel would gain like 8 pounds on that.
Sploosh.
There's Jake or Blake.
And rake.
Go on a bridge. Come on, Carson, you can make it.
I'm one with the force of the. I'm with the force and the force.
No, you're one with nature, and nature will rip your soul out.
Probably. Okay, you need a stick.
Nature kills you.
Is that stable? Well, we're about to find out.
Carson, if you hold down on the screen,
Yay!
it makes it adjust or focus.
Does it really?
Yeah. Because I did it, and it started focusing instantly.
McDonald's, buy your fresh smoothies.
That's not McDonald's. Carson, no! No, you're a murderer again. You're gonna hit me with that. You're a murderer. The cup is floating. Doo-doo.
Oh, it's pretty tough.
Wow, that's totally gonna stop it. And it's moving. And it's stuck.
I think we lost the cup.
No, it's stuck.
Okay, we gotta retrieve the cup.
No, we can't. It's impossible. You're gonna break yourself. It's slipping. Can you not see that?
I see it. That's why I'm doing it.
You're gonna make yourself fall in the water.
I am smart.
No dip.
No.
20. I should have won.
We're getting places.
How you? Oh God!
I'm going down the river.
This is how you extremely stupidly kill yourself.
I know.
Carson, come on, let's go poke around in there.
Oh. See, Daddy. Just kidding.
You know who Yates is?
Who, what?
Instead of grass, moss grows down. Kind of
God's
that,
sick.
okay, what do you think when you look at that? Look at what?
Okay, this stick.
This stick is officially gay.
Oh.
It's not gay anymore. That was the weirdest thing.
Even nature is weird.
Let go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you man, you almost killed me on that backswing. Detained. That was more cool in my mind.
Like,
Get at that Neanderthal with the rock. Go.
screw it.
You missed. And focus. Man, you're angry at nature. And I'm about to fall backing up. What the frick? What have we got here? A bubble blower? It's a bubble wand. Wait, give me the bubble.
No. Hiss.
I need special. Now we can use it to get the cup. By balancing on that. Ow!
You would never do. Okay, one time my cousin tried to do that. I wouldn't recommend it.
Did it go well?
She fell in.
That's great. I'm just gonna.
Something just bit me in the back.
It's okay. It's okay.
Carson, you shouldn't do that. Look, you're gonna die. There's a giant stick hanging off of it, and there's like spikes.
But we need the cup. Yet. Giant ant. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, where's the giant ant?
It was on that rock. There it is. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. It's special.
I don't see it.
Are you blind? There's a spider down there. Spider.
Spitter.
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 Spitter. There's an ant on the... How do you not see that?
I do see it. The camera didn't, though. Nature.
Guys, this is your dinner. Son, this is your dinner. How rich people punish their kids. Sorry, son, you did this yourself. We're gonna for drinks. We're gonna have a Fiji and a Dasani, a water bottle, you know.
Wait, what are you doing exactly?
Maybe we'll find out.
I'm trying to maneuver down here this piece of metal. Okay, guys, here's our phone trap. I'm gonna place this in here. There we go. Drop test initiated.
Go. Use the tracker and see like where they are.
Got it. I put a tracker in his brain. Exploration. And the screams of exploration. Those are screams of happiness you hear coming from our painful experiences.
Wait, hold on.
Experiences. Are you tracking some deer? There it is. There
he is. Hold on.
Wait, let me focus.
Wait, hold on, stop.
Chill.
He's going for the water. He's over there somewhere. There we went. Hold on, stop.
Wait, I gotta focus the camera.
Stop moving. I got the tiny frog!
Sneaky sneaker.
There's 3 of them. Come on, up here.
We stalk our prey. You even see our prey. Did they just say Professor? Did they just say Mr. Shrinklebottom?
And there's a muffin and Dr. Shrinklebottom.
Dude, they're coming. Get down. Okay, what? Mr. Shrinklebottom is what they're yelling. Me llamo Juan Pablo.
Carson, I think I broke it.
Pick up this Clash Royale log off the ground.
Carson, come on, they're looking for us. Hello.
Log. Schwiggity Swifty.
Oh, God.
What?
Carson, there's water.
Water? Let's go down. Oh my God. Or that one. I think I saw a flop around here.
Oh, I thought I saw something jump. I hope I didn't kill it.
You just gotta step around it, will jump out. Okay, whatever. I don't have a bow, but I'm pretty sure throwing an arrow would be still pretty effective.
This would be effective. I hit James in the face with a tennis ball.
That's great.
On accident, of course.
You broke another log. Log!
I have a level 2 log.
Now, how would you tie those weeds against your stick? Okay. Wait, dude, you should tie some poison ivy around your stick.
Start hitting people with it?
Yeah. I'm gonna aiming for that tree there. I always hit my targets. Yeah. Hey. What do you know? Dude, this arrow's like a suction cup. Oh, I'm gonna throw this into the water. More riggedy rocks. Oh! Watch out! There goes my arrow. Yeah.
Oh god, okay.
Do that thing you just ricochet off a rock and almost catch it. Let me get.
Oh, come on. Last time it almost.
It bounced off the rock and you almost caught it, but it landed like right there.
Here in the water, and it just fell.
Das is cool. Is he gone?
No, he's right here. Oh, he's so cute.
Aww. Let's throw it in the water. Just kidding.
Be free! Be free!
Flop to nature.